things in the We will work on a few things in the Miktex console to do a one-time setup. Let's bring up the Miktex console from the Start menu. You can find it either right at the top of the list in the recently installed items or scroll down to its alphabetical listing. It says that my console is already running, so I bring it up from the system tray at the bottom right corner of my screen. Find the Miktex icon and click to open it. We see that there are 93 updates pending, so let's first update Miktex. Click on the Updates tab on the left-hand side panel and click on Update Now. It will take a few minutes to download and install all updates. After installing them, close the Miktex console using the Close button. Let's bring it up again from the Start menu, and this time we will begin installing the 6 packages. Start the Miktex console in Administrator mode. Click on the Packages tab this time and wait for the screen to load. On this tab, let's search for the first package by clicking in the search field and typing geometry. Press enter to search for the package. Now right-click on the geometry package, then click on Install to install it. Press OK to continue. After the package is installed, click Close to close the window. We now see that the package status is installed by admin. Click on the little black cross to clear the field. Let's repeat the same process for the remaining 5 packages. I will go ahead and install the remaining ones by first searching for the package name, then right-clicking on it and installing the package using the Install Package button. We have successfully installed Miktex and the required packages. Now let's try to print our report again.